Welcome to the Unseen Blueprint. My name is Nikhil Das. Today, I am here speaking to anyone wanting to break into the construction industry, addressing the question that every new engineer faces or will face in their career. Where exactly do your professional goals lies? Is it in AEC or EPC? If you aren't familiar with this division, let me break it down. If you are entering building services or the world of BIM, the choice you make today will define the next decade of your professional life. As a quiet engineer, I always found that best insights come from observation. We often admire the final building, but we miss the unseen logic behind it. Whether you're designing an HVAC system or coordinating a complex BIM model, you need to know which mission you're working for. Let's look at the framework. There are two verticals. One is AEC and EPC. AEC stands for Architecture, Engineering and Construction. It's a world of skyscrapers, hospitals and smart cities. EPC stands for Engineering, Procurement and Construction. It's a world of power giants, refineries and mega infrastructure projects. One builds spaces, other build powers. First, the definition AEC. AEC is a collaborative. You will work hand in hand with the architects to make creative visions a reality. In building services, this means mastering HVAC and plumbing or the electrical within the strict urban constraints. It's high precision, high responsibility, high collaborative, and deeply integrated with the modern BIM workflows. And EPC is an industrial force. It's a different. It's a turnkey model where the single contractor takes full responsibility from initial design to final handover. It's all about heavy industry, massive pipes, and chemical towers, a large scale project where the risk management is everything. And let's look this form of facility perspective, comfort versus process. Take an example HVAC. For example, in the AC world, that we design for human comfort and indoor air quality. But in APC world, HVAC is critical process support system like cooling massive data center or ventilating hazardous chemical zone. It's the same engineering with a completely different mission. Now let's look at the most important emerging side of the construction BIM, the digital language. BIM is our common language, whether in AEC or EPC. In AEC, we use it for the clash detection, for instance, making sure structural beams don't block the mechanical ducts. In APC, we use it for the extreme precision required in industrial plant design. It's about solving problems digitally before single dollar spent on the site. So understanding this all helps clarify what your career path will look like. In AEC, the journey you usually start from design consultancy, and from there you will learn about load calculation, system sizing, and the art of Revit. So your focus will be on executing design and managing the BIM implementation on site, often centering around sustainable building design and smart cities. On the other hand, EPC take you into the deep heart of the heavy industry. You aren't just about doing the facility engineering. You're part of massive procurement and construction mission, executing projects at a scale that powers cities and move nations. To summarize, the AEC is occupant centric and urban. EPC is process centric and industrial. AEC relies on Collaborative firms, EPC thrives on single point turnkey responsibility. Which one calls to you? When considering your thinking mindset, I always say engineering isn't just about math, it's about the blueprint in your mind. Being an engineer allows you to see those unseen connections, the invisible airflows, and the underlying logic of layout. Trust your observation. Which blueprint are you building? Are you an AEC urbanist or EPC industrialist? Comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to uncover more of the unseen world of engineering. See you in the next one.